Good afternoon, friends and fam. Market up and down. Market is down. All right, so let's check out the brokerage. We did sell some stock today, so again, the market does not have to go up to make money. Our strategy can capitalize either way. Let's update the spreadsheet 68.44, and that will conclude our month. New personal record for the channel and the public account. And I have a really short big picture here, and it has to do with the deposit. Okay, so our month ended up being 55.19 on trading. We still have dividends coming in on a statement, right? So it will be higher than this, but think about this way. We have this account set up for educational purposes with a $10 per week deposit. So that would be roughly $40 a month. And you can see here, it's not the first time. I don't believe. No, this is the first time. We're close here. But we have returned more money than we deposited, right? And that's the sign of a good investment. And that will get us into a return scenario. We need $7.95 to get to the next deposit into our investing account. But essentially, we defer our gains here by putting them into investing. Now, once investing gets to $2 per month, start withdrawing from there, or that would be what I would do in my main investment account. And then you start actually getting money now, a little over a year in, a year and a half, already beating our deposit. Even if it's an anomaly month, we'll see. But the account is larger, right? So it should be easier, to attain the bigger numbers. So now that we have that out of the way, a little feel-good moment. We crushed it this month. The market was down. It went down today, so for the month, this is the only time we get to see it. Down 4%, 4.03%, and we just totally crushed it. We went almost exactly the opposite with a $1,000 account at 50. That's roughly 4 or 5% to the upside. So between that, the spread would be 8%. You have to do 4 to get to 0, and then add the 4 we got. And you can see that you don't have to do that many months to really crush the market. I might post something on the Facebook, who knows? But it's a pretty cool, proud moment as we show you in real time every day after market close for average working folks that would just want to learn how the markets move and formulate their own strategies. So, yeah, we crushed it. So, next step of the trading plan, market was down, reverse snowball, right? So WRB is our first stock to look at. And we're just looking to see if this thing is under the 30 RSI. $30.30, you see it right here. And black and white, it is not under 30. It's very close, but not under 30. NUS and Gilead, so let's rock through these. NUS is above the 30. Let's see, Gilead. Gilead is under, so 65.20 on the closing print. And this stock continues to slide. We do have all of our day trades back, so we will enter as such. I cancel the sell order. All right, there's our 65.20. I'm just buying one. Good till cancel. Remember, we're doing first triggers a second. We're going to go ahead and do the round trip. Shoot. Flip her that way. 65.20 is what we're going for. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours for both of them. We need to get a sell price. So if we take all of these, add them up, divide by 9, that gets you your average. It's also right here. Take this number times 1.01. That's the sell target I like. And please do the math for yourself. I'm going to throw the order in, and we'll get on with our day. It's not likely that it fills right away, but if you don't have the sell order in, it's impossible for it to fill. Make sense? And strange things can happen after hours. Thieves in the night. All right. So, with that being done and over with, we got 373 left. Next step of the trading plan is screener. Let's see what goodies we get. And we've been doing this the entire run down. Next year. Everything kind of went a little crazy today. I was able to buy a lot of different types of equities as well, and commodities, so in the main account. All right, so we should have good enough. All right, first things first, look for stocks in the universe. I have Ross in my universe and Big Blue IBM. So let's look at those first. P's are just too high, right? Supposed to be discount apparel. Big Blue. Similar story. PEs are just too high. I really do want these under 15. So with that being done, we just start at the top of the list, work our way down. Oh, this is in my universe too. Yeah, so there we go. Under 15. There they are. Dividends, reasonable debt, earnings history. Here we go. 22.84. I'm in. Remember, we're trying to keep our position size under 1% of the account, but it's impossible to do. It's this small of an account. So we will do the best we can, just keeping it to one share to limit our sizing. The light's on. Caps lock broke. There we go. I'm going to hold shift just like Abraham Lincoln used to. All right. No rhyme or reason, just following the process, top to bottom, left to right. So you don't have to get tore up if you took something different or whatever, but likely overthinking it will prevent you from taking action. First trigger is a second. We're going to round trip this sucker if we can. One and one out. 22.84 for the 5. Good till cancel with the extended hours. Always a limit order. You can take this number times 1.01 and that'll get the sell price. Do the math for yourself though, alright? Make sure you got that. And that's it. 350 left. Hit the screener. Don't give up. Don't leave any money on the table. We'll have another deposit on Monday. BYD. Again, dividend, low PE, reasonable debt, earnings history. 53.51. BYD. All right, let's go through it. We got to put it in, don't we? Okay. Pretty soon we'll be able to read my mind. Just go ahead and put the order in. We got AI coming. 53.51, that's correct. We're going to head and do a round trip order. And this will be the last one, right? Put 3 in. Even though the first one's unlikely, it's okay. We got other things to worry about. Always a limit order. Good till cancel with extended hours. My computer will work. And 53.51 times 1.01. You can do the math on that. Please do the math for yourself. Is that what you got? I think that's what I get. And ship it. There we go. 53.50. The after hours price was showing that we should get a favorable fill. We did. There's the sound effects. Look how delayed the computer is. Yikes. But we still have $297. So let's hit it. CSX Railroads. PE's too high, especially for this type of a business. It's a low growth model. And if you overpay, it makes it very difficult to make money. This one, if you add these up divided by 2, you'd be under a 15. You have a dividend, almost zero debt, which is very nice. And I like this one, 65, 68. The caps lock button is broken. Okay. All right. We got bailed out on the last letter. Just like Wheel of Fortune. All right. 65, 68. Remember, these will all just be the buy order. We'll wait to put the sell order in because we are still under the PDT. We want limit, always good till cancel with extended hours. Just fixing to buy one. Apparently we just get to watch this on the damn screen. Okay. We still have $231. We're not leaving any opportunity on the table. FHI. Asset management. Well, that's what we do. Dividend, almost zero debt, nice PE. This is a go. FHI, 32.85. I think I remember that right. We'll find out here. Now the caps lock just randomly came on. You gotta love that. You don't need a big fancy setup to just totally destroy the market. We are doing it. It's a nice, simple one share. 32.85 limit. Always good till cancel. We're just loading a boat. All right. That was correct. We have $198 left. Back to the screener. IBM we looked at. Masco. PEs are too high. If you add these up, it's over 30. So, not interested. If you take that, good luck to you, but you're not doing what I'm doing. Navient. Missed this one. The main account. Look at the debt. Whoa. No, we're good. We good. Credit services. Yeah, it looks like they're into borrowing the credit. Yeah, they got plenty of credit and debt. All right, we've taken this one before. Dividend, low debt, nice PEs, earnings history, 106.11 on PCAR. Don't be intimidated by these, even with our small account. You know, we get stuck in one like we did MTB, just think back on that, you know. We'll have a deposit. That's why cash flow is so important. But very quickly, your cash flow should outweigh your deposits, but you still need the deposits. It is a flow. Money has to flow through you. It's not just I'll put $5,000 in there and see what I can do with it. That's stupid. Because you can only get lucky so many times in a row, right? Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And that eats up quite a bit of our capital, but that's following the system, right? We didn't go out of our way looking for it. 106.11 is a fill. $92 left. And we'll keep going. We're not leaving any money on the table. Looked at Ross. Siri, I don't think we have that anymore. This is more of an exercise here than anything else. But yeah, it's got the dividend, no debt, nice PEs, earning history, 294 on Siri. Just like we did before, we're going to go ahead and take 3 shares. That takes us up to 882. Keeps us under our $11 threshold for 1% of our account size. Pretty soon, as you can see, especially if the stock continues to fall, we will be able to take 4 shares. And that's how you start to see the compounding of shares, right? That's how it do be working. So here we're going to take 3 this time. You're definitely not going to pay above the closing print. 294 limit, good till cancel with extended hours. And it showed the market at 297, but I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't just take. So here we have $83 left. We're not leaving any money on the table. SLB, Schlumberger, oil and gas. Here we go. We've got dividend, good PEs, low debt, nice solid steady earner. SLB 47.48. All right. Just taking 1 share, trying to keep the position sizing where it needs to be. Limit order always good till cancel, extended hours. We're doing a little planting and hoping to harvest a little tomorrow. Price for, we got $36 left. Back to the screen. Tap is above what we have left. Wern is the next one where we actually have enough money to buy 1 share. Werner Trucking, 31. Yikes, just barely out of reach. WNC, Wabash National. We already took PCAR, so here we are in the farm business. Dividend, low PEs, reasonable debt, and good earnings forecast. So here we go. 2311 WNC. All right. Oh, that's cute. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and put this order in, and that will conclude the main account, public account, excuse me, WN Charlie. We see super widespread in the after hours. Some of these, they just don't trade that much after hours, but occasionally you'll see some really weird stuff. So limit, get they'll cancel with extended hours, and we'll ship it. So for a little brief overview, include today, 2304. Wow, good fill. And since we didn't have the sell order in, that will allow us to exit faster, right? All right. We got a lot bought, and we got a lot on the plate. Loaded full, loaded for bear. We have $13 left. We really took advantage of every little bit of the opportunity there was. If you want to look at the screener and second guess and say, well, we shouldn't have bought this one. We'd had the money for this one. We could have used more money. Those kind of things will only slow you down. So we'll just follow the system, push forward, and do it again tomorrow. So I hope you had a good month like this account did. And if not, maybe you should consider changing your approach a little bit. I wish you all the best of luck, but you will have to make your own investment decisions. I can't do it for you. And we're killing it over here. So I hope you're killing it too. If you're selling some stuff on a down day, let me know down below. And if you're interested in the main account, we'll see you in the next video.